What's up guys, Braden here at SuperATV, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install SuperATV's front bumper on this Kawasaki Teryx 4. So let's get right to it. First thing we're going to do is go ahead and remove our OEM bumper. We're going to have a fastener here, as well as right down here. We'll loosen that up, but we'll leave the bolt in it, just so our bumper doesn't flop. We have the same kind of hardware on the opposite side here. Again, we're just going to loosen that. Now we're going to remove this piece here. We'll have two 10mm bolts on the bottom. Now we're going to remove our bumper. We're going to take our bumper, slide it up into position. One thing to keep in mind, if you are running a SuperATV winch or any winch at all, you will need to remove this panel here. As you can see, if you go to slide it in position, it makes contact. So again, if you're running a winch, you will need to remove this, which all you have to do to remove it is remove the two Allens right here on the front, and then on the back, there's 10mm nuts. So now that we have our centerpiece removed here, we're going to go ahead and slide our bumper into place. We'll just pull our winch up like that. Our bumper slid back to where it needs to be. And we're going to utilize the factory mounting holes that we removed our factory hardware out of. So it'll sit like that. So now we're going to grab our braces here and we're going to line them up in this orientation to our factory hole where we removed our factory hardware from. Repeat the step for the opposite side here. Just like so. So now we're going to line our brace up. We're going to grab our M10 bolt here, slide it through, and we're going to take a M10 nut, put it on the back side. Just like so. Now we're going to tighten our bumper hardware. We're going to tighten this bolt here. Let's put a 15mm wrench on the nut. So now we're going to take our upper portion of our bumper, slide it into place here, just like this. We're going to grab two of our M10 bolts. We're going to reach through, sit really tight, and thread these M10 bolts into the upper portion of the bumper. So once we have our bolts started into our bumper, we're going to start the rest of our 4 bolts up top. It'll be the same hardware that we used behind the bumper here. Now we're going to put our top tube on here. We'll grab the last bit of hardware we have in the kit, slide it down through the tube like so. I like to do it on both sides and then start my nuts. Now we're gonna fully tighten our hardware. So right here on the front of these bumpers, you have an option to run the SuperATV cube lights. You can pick those up from SuperATV.com. Also, if you do not have a winch mount already installed in the machine, you can utilize the winch pattern up here on top of the bumper. So once you have all your hardware installed, everything's fully tightened, everything's adjusted how it needs to be. That's all there is to it to install SuperATV's winch-ready front bumper on this Kawasaki Teryx 4. Be sure to check the description below to pick one up today. And while you're there, drop a like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.